must surely avenge your death.
If I didn't marry him, did you think he would have still died? Look at what marriage has done to me.
Give him back his blood money.
Your daughter-in-law does not have respect for the dead.
You're celebrating the death of my son.
But I found someone. Someone I want to spend my life with.
Shut up! Tell to stay away from my daughter-in-law.
Is anything wrong with us?
Everything is wrong with the person.
She's pregnant for another man.
Go and ask Amaka, who is the father of her son.
I have never cheated on my husband.
You are the one who shot yourself on the leg.
How?
You need someone to be there for you. You need someone to protect you, to provide for you.
Sleeping with a woman that is still wearing her wardrobe is a taboo.
Leave my fiancé alone.
I will marry him.
Why?